Welcome! If you're looking for a quick and easy way to delete your address from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is more streamlined than ever. Let's walk through each step so you can remove your address in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access your personal page. Now, enter your page by clicking on your name or profile. Once you're on your page, find the About section. This is where Facebook stores all your important details, including your contact and basic information. Inside the About section, scroll down until you see Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll find your address listed if you've added one before. Next to your address, there's a small icon that looks like 3 dots or a More icon. Click on that icon to open additional options. From the list that appears, choose Delete. Facebook will ask you to confirm this step just to make sure you really want to remove your address. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Your address will be deleted from your page. It's always a good idea to double-check your page afterward to make sure the information has been removed. Simply refresh your page and revisit the About section under Contact and Basic Info to confirm that your address is no longer visible. That's all it takes to keep your personal information private and up to date on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.